Hey, if you're running a construction business, you already know how tough it can be to keep your pipeline full. Between chasing leads, following up, sending proposals, and trying to book meetings, it feels like you're spending more time on sales than actually building projects. But what if I told you there's a way to automate all of that? Prospecting, outreach, calls, proposals, and even booking meetings without lifting a finger. That's exactly what AI tools like ClientForce AI can do for your construction business. And today, I'm going to show you how to use it to generate leads on autopilot. Let's be real. Traditional sales in construction often looks like this: manual prospecting that eats up hours, scattered follow-ups where leads slip through the cracks, delayed calls and proposals that kill momentum, and worst of all, deals lost before they even get started. Sound familiar? That's the old way, and it's costing you revenue every single month. Now imagine if that entire workflow ran automatically. That's where ClientForce AI comes in. Instead of just automating a few emails, ClientForce deploys AI sales agents that run full end-to-end campaigns for you. These agents continuously find leads, ingest them into campaigns, run multi-channel outreach, make AI voice calls, send dynamic proposals, and book meetings, all while managing every conversation in one unified inbox. In other words, you're not just sending emails, you're launching self-running sales campaigns that keep your pipeline full and your calendar moving. Here's how it works for a construction business. You start by telling your AI agent the outcome you want. Maybe it's booking qualified demos with property developers, reviving cold leads from past projects, or closing deals with commercial clients. ClientForce's Finder V2 continuously sources new prospects based on your rules. You can upload your own list, and the system automatically verifies and deduplicates them. Even website visitors get routed instantly into campaigns. Found someone while browsing? Add them in one click. That means every lead flows into the right campaign automatically. No more spreadsheets, no more manual sorting. Once the leads are in, the orchestration begins. ClientForce manages email, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and even AI voice calls in one coordinated flow. If a lead opens your message, the AI adapts. If they reply, it responds. If they don't engage, it pivots. Every contact gets the right touch at the right time. And when timing matters most, AI voice steps in. It runs discovery calls, handles objections, suggests times, and books meetings directly into your calendar. Imagine your AI agent saying, Tuesday at 10 or 2:30, and boom, the meeting is booked. From there, proposals generate automatically. They're built from your materials, PDFs, pricing pages, case studies, and personalized to the client's pain points. You can even track in real time how long they spent on pricing and what they clicked next. And here's the kicker. Every interaction, emails, WhatsApp, LinkedIn messages, calls, bookings, proposals, lives in one unified thread. You'll see next best action prompts guiding the follow-up so nothing slips through the cracks. ClientForce doesn't just send messages, it connects your entire sales ecosystem. Through Zapier and native integrations, a single booking can create the calendar invite and Zoom link, register the webinar attendee, update your CRM deal stage, alert your team in Slack, log everything to Sheets, even send a Stripe payment link. No extra tabs, no manual updates, just seamless automation. So what does this mean for your construction business? It means you can go from cold lead to booked calendar to closed revenue without wasting hours on manual prospecting or chasing follow-ups. Your AI agent keeps your pipeline full, your meetings booked, and your revenue growing. Think of it as hiring a full-time sales team, but powered by AI, running 24/7 and never dropping the ball. If you're ready to stop losing deals and start scaling your construction business with AI, then it's time to deploy your first ClientForce AI sales agent today. Alright, that's it for today's video. I've left the link below so you can see it for yourself and decide if it fits your goals. Hit that like button if this video gave you value. Subscribe for more strategies on using AI to grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.